everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add HTML code to your Canva website. It's super easy. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Canva, open the official website, and log into your account. Then, open the project or website you want to edit. Next, go to the JotForm website and create or open your form. Click on Publish, then copy link to get your form link. Now, go back to Canva. On the left sidebar, click on Apps, then search for Embed. Open the Embed app, paste the JotForm link, and click Add to Design. That's it. Your HTML content from JotForm is now embedded directly into your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.